Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the topic half adder and full adder. So half adder is a combinational circuit that performs addition of two bits is known as the half adder. So this is the block diagram for the half adder, that A and B are the two inputs and it will give us sum and carry. If we talk about the possible combination of A and B, there are four possible combination of any bits: 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So if we add 0 0, then sum will be 0 and carry will be 0. If we add 0 1 or 1 0, then sum will always be 1 and carry is 0. If we add 1 1, then sum will be 0 and carry will be 1. So if we convert this thing into a boolean expression, it can be written as, so see, if the value of A is 0 and value of B is 1, then we got output 1. So we can write it like A bar B, and in this condition, if A is 1 and B is 0, then we get 1. So we will write it like A B bar. So this is an expression for A or B. In form of carry, if both the value are 1, A and B, if both are 1, then we will write it like A and B. So if we draw the circuit diagram for this expression, we can draw it like this is the XOR, this represent the XOR gate A and B, and this represent the AND gate. So this is the circuit diagram for half adder. So this is the example for the addition of any two bits. If we add 1 and 1, the output will be 0 and carry will be 1. So 1 0 1 and 1 0 1. If we add 0 and 1, then output will be 1. If we add 1 and 1, then output will be 0 and there is an carry, that is 1. If we add 1 0 1, 1 1 is 0 and there will be a carry of 1. Again, if we add 1 and 1, the output will be 0 and there will be a carry of 1. If we add 1 and 0, it will be 1. 1 and 1, output will be 1 and carry will be, output will be 0 and there is a carry of 1. So this is the addition of these two binary values. So next topic is full adder. So full adder is a combinational circuit that perform the addition of 3 bits, is known as the full adder. This is the circuit diagram for the full adder, in which we add 3 bits A, B and C, and it will give us sum and carry. So this is the basic representation how we will add 3 bits and what output will be common corresponding to this output. See, if both the 3 bits are 0, then sum will be 0 and carry will be 0. If we add 0 0 0 0 1 1, then sum will be 1, carry will be 0. If 0 1 1 1 0 1, then the sum will be 1 and carry will be 0. If any of the two inputs are 1, then sum will be 0 and carry will be 1, like this and in this example. And if any of two values are 0 and one value is 1, then output sum will be 1 and carry will be 0, like in this example and this two example. If we say all the three inputs are 1, then sum will be 1 and carry will be 0. So if we write the Boolean expression of sum, it can be written as, see, at this location, at this location, this and this, and at these 4 locations the output will be 1. So we will write the correspondent input in the Boolean expression. So for this one, the output will be A bar B bar C, plus for this one A bar B C bar, for this one A B bar C bar, for this one is A B C. In the same form, we will write the Boolean expression for the carry. For this location, the value will be A bar B C. For the other one is A B bar C. For the next one is A B C bar. And for the next one is A B C. So if we want to minimize these expression, we can draw these expression in the form of k map. So if we express this sum in the k map, this cannot be further minimized. Same if we draw carry in the form of k map, so there will be three groupings can be made. For this one is for this 2 and 3. So output will be for this one, if we talk about this one, this a and c. A and c is common here. For this grouping is a and b, and for this diagonal grouping is b and c. So carry can be written as ab plus bc plus ac. So next, if we draw the circuit diagram for full adder, the value of sum is a bar b bar c plus a bar b c bar plus a b bar c bar plus a b c. So there are 4 AND gates are required and 1 OR gate is required for all the output of the sum. So we will draw 4 AND gates, and the output of these is corresponding to the AND or OR gate, which will give us output of the sum. So in the first expression is a bar. So this will give, if we use the NOT gate here, a can be converted into a bar, b can be converted into b bar, and c. So a bar, b bar, c, this will be given as input to this AND gate. For the next one is a bar, b, c bar. For the next is a, b bar, c bar, a, b, c. These 4 AND gates are used here, and these outputs are given as input to this OR gate, and it will give us output as in the form of sum. If we draw the circuit diagram for the carry, if we talk about carry, the Boolean expression for the carry is AB plus BC plus CA. So there are 3 AND gates are used, and 1 OR gate is used for all the output of the AND gates. So AB act as an input for this AND gate, BC and AC act as an input for the corresponding AND gates, and these output will be given to this OR gate, and this will give us the output of the carry. Thank you so much.